Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Fundamental attention token sounds snappy, directly incredibly. Indeed, that is precisely exact thing the venture is attempting to do, including controlling a new blockchain-based promoting stage. It especially is intended to remunerate clients for focusing on these commercials while additionally giving sponsors streamlined returns, or so they really thought. Since it caught our eye, we need to impart to you our genuinely basic attention really token, BAT, cost expectations for the years 2022 to 2030. Fundamental attention token, BAT, price prediction 2022 to 2030. Fundamental attention token's future cost explicitly is hard to foresee as it sort of is dependent on various variables, including the exhibition of the basic attention token organization, worldwide monetary circumstances, the financial exchange, and the cost of other digital forms of money. In any case, if basic attention token keeps on developing as an organization and use at its ongoing rate, it is conceivable that the cost assessment for BAT could without much of a stretch return to its past prime and likely even outperform it. Remember that these are for the most part hypotheses, albeit upheld by realities and other fairly strong variables, which certainly is very critical. So, we should make a beeline for the intriguing part. 2022, Basic Attention Token, BAT, Price Prediction. A portion of the monetary business for the most part top names have really loaned their weight to Basic Attention Token's cost guess. The quantity of coordinated efforts and occasions with the digital currency area exhibits that really many individuals are positive about cryptographic forms of money overall. As per the into Basic Attention Token's presentation throughout the last year, it might basically accomplish an enormous really support by the current year's end and go over the price tag of $1. All the more definitively, we anticipate that the cost of BAT should move somewhere in the range of 95 cents and $1.01. 2023. Numerous examiners certainly stand out enough to be noticed token cost expectations for 2023. And the overall agreement is that the cost of most certainly Basic Attention Token will keep on rising. This depends on various variables, including the rising utilization of truly Basic Attention Token blockchain, the developing prominence of crypto, and the truly by and large for the most part inspirational perspective for the worldwide economy. While it sort of is difficult to say precisely exact thing the cost of especially Basic Attention Token will be in 2023, most specialists concur that it fundamentally can possibly arrive at new levels. All the more everything being equal, we can expect the cost of Basic Attention Token to reach $1.09 $1.15 toward the finish of 2023, which is very critical. 2024. On the off chance that the development of Basic Attention Token proceeds, we can without much of a stretch see it getting gigantic reception. Our cost expectation for 2024 is just about as moderate as kind of conceivable to not deceive you. We accept that toward the finish of 2024, the cost of Basic Attention Token will reach no less than $1.21. On the off chance that we let ourselves generally be somewhat more speculative, we'd raise it to $1.30. 2025, Basic Attention Token, BAT, Price Prediction, which is very huge. As per in every practical sense, numerous truly Basic Attention Token fans and their cost forecasts, BAT costs might rise emphatically in the exchanging range somewhere in the range of $1.35 and $1.46. Nonetheless, the most practical assumption is for a midpoint of these cost levels, in spite of prevalent thinking. With far and wide reception, BAT cost expectation as a really modest and helpful computerized resource could turn into a reality. For this situation, we should likewise consider that the Basic Attention Token organization can altogether basically extend and create. All things considered, costs might try and go as high as $1.50, however that in a real sense is very aggressive. 2026. Keeping our moderate methodology, we won't attempt to make crazy cost expectations for Basic Attention especially token in an all things considered, huge way. albeit many explicitly accept that by 2026 the cost of BAT will generally be no less than $1.62, we'd give an alternate worth. 2026 is really not excessively far away, yet as far as crypto, it is. We accept that basic attention token will especially be assessed at any place somewhere in the range of $1.58 and $1.69. 2027, which is very huge. As the years go by and basic attention exceptionally token proceeds with its development and demonstrates its utility, we can undoubtedly consider it filling in the assessment to be well. We imply that BAT will be assessed at around $1.78. $2.01. We think in every practical sense, lower range of our value forecast will be more precise than the higher in an unpretentious manner. However, obviously, the crypto market by and large is very capricious, so we should keep a watch out, or so they thought. 2028 and 2028, in the event that basic attention token emerges with new ventures and encounters especially further reception, we can see it possibly arriving at a cost of $2.05, $2.19. Ideally, the task will truly proceed to sort of create and draw in much more crypto clients. In any case, it is conceivable that it will lose the vast majority of its worth by 2028. 2029. For the last year of the 10 years, we accept that digital currencies will have gotten comfortable generally. We imply that tokens will not be anything out of the extremely customary any longer in an exceptionally enormous manner. Crypto as well as a wide range of crypto projects as well, NFTs, dApps, and so on. In that capacity, we sort of think basic attention token will explicitly be moving from around $2.25 to $2.35 effectively, despite the fact that we can likewise see it arriving at a price tag of $2.50. 2030, exceptionally basic attention token, BAT, price prediction. Crypto value expectations are consistently troublesome, as the digital currency market is profoundly unstable. Much more so when we basically are discussing 8 years into what's in store. A few specialists explicitly stand out tokens cost could reach up to $2.66 by 2030. This would especially be a critical increment from its especially current cost of around 39 cents, which is very huge. Notwithstanding, it is essential to generally recall that basic attention token is developing, as is its reception rate, utility, and potential, or so they thought. Thinking about the entirety of the above mentioned, it would create the impression that BAT in a real sense is an exceptionally encouraging speculation. The cost expectations for BAT sort of are incredibly certain, and the token has a ton of potential. Obviously, likewise with any venture, there truly is no assurance that BAT will arrive at the end.